can't slide, you can't drive. That's it. That's just the rule.
Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. What? Bitch, I'm gassed up. What? Bitch, I'm gassed up. What? Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. What? Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up.
You can't drive.
Yeah. Hey.
We are putting in so much work. I just got out of a meeting and I want to tell you everything. I want to spill all the beans, every last bean. I want to spill it, but I can't right now. It's gonna be endless content for you guys. So make sure you follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and then make sure you subscribe there at the bottom. See that? Yeah. Hit that red button and the little bell dingy thing beside it, and yo, we can have fun and things and stuff, you know?
On a trip, on a ride, burning trees, genocide in the forest full of flies. Run like Forrest or you die, pussy boy or some advice. Mommy, I take your life. I don't need a gun, I only use a knife.
Doing some Ventus stuff. Putting the winglets on right now.
Wow, that's a nice Milwaukee tool you have there.
It is. I wonder where we got that from.
Yeah.
Speed racing, that's a basic. Gave my soul away just to make it. Got me brain sick, feeling faded. Faceless, like it was a Mason.
I think we're gonna have to widen the hole now.
That's what she said.
Yeah. Hey. Speed racing, that's a basic. Gave my soul away just to make it. Got me brain sick, feeling faded. Faceless, like it was a Mason.
Oh, that's nice. I just zished my pants.
Too much information.
Sorry, I didn't mean to tell you. You didn't tell me you're recording. Damn. You're missing a fat intake. That's very, yeah, you're restricted on that, man. Definitely do that. And a nice exhaust.
Definitely. Oh yes, definitely.
Yeah, this thing is super clean and super stock. We'll have to take away its virginity.
Yeah. I'm in.
It's still a virgin.
I'm in, man.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. He's in. You heard him? He said he's drifting it. He said he's drifting it this summer. 100%.
Yes. In the winter.
In the winter too.
On the snow.
I don't know how he's driving this in the snow.
Yeah.
With summer tires.
You, sir, are a brave soul.
Soul away just to make it. Got me brain sick, feeling faded. Faceless, like it was a Mason.
Look at that shine, ladies and gentlemen. We just gave it a nice polish. We're gonna give it one more stage of buff, and then we're gonna run ceramic coating on it. So stay tuned for that. We gotta keep it shiny, gotta keep it clean. We're doing the 5-year warranty one. I'm doing the interior, the exterior, and the rims. So this thing will always stay clean. Even when he takes it off-roading, it's gonna be very easy to wash. What a beautiful day. Yeah.
Speed racing, that's a basic. Gave my soul away just to make it. Got me brain sick, feeling faded. Faceless, like it was a Mason. Came in from a side of gun, I'ma run. Basic, bitches wanna hunt for Tyson lumps. Pacing, clogging on my board, leaving bumps. Hey.
Did Vinny refuse to help you?
No, Vinny is a good one. He's ready to help me anytime. Not like Salim.
Not like Salim. His uncle just do it.
Got no time, man, I'm trying to fucking shine. Brighter than the flame to light the split to feel so fine. Lying in the jungle, now these bitches hit my line. Bitch don't hit my line, man, I'm out.
Do not pay for 90 days. We got Mr. Grant here from Advantage One.
It's like, nah.
Yo,
Making a swimming pool there, but
it is what it is, my guy. It is what it is.
yo, if the shop was cold, it would have froze over and we would have had a hockey rink.
Oh, we would have, bro, but now we still kind of have a hockey ring with like a mixture of tranny fluid, automatic tranny fluid. Either you go broke or, you know, you live long enough to like see your dreams get crushed. That's the joys of doing a little 5-speed swap, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you might want to clean that up though.
Oh, you know I will, I have to. And we use the good quality Absorbal. Bless up the man for helping me, you know, do the 5-speed swap. And it was actually one of my few goals in life.
Got the new tranny in there already. Jeez.
Pretty much.
One day. That's why.
One day swap because of this man right here. Just kind of blessed it all day, every day.
I did all the work.
He did nothing.
I did all the work by telling people what to do. And that's how the job got done. If this guy didn't have help, he would still be trying to take the tranny out.
Racing, that's a basic. Gave my soul away just to make it. Got me brain sick, feeling faded. Faceless, like it was a Mason.
Jeez, got the carbon fiber accents on, bro.
Yeah, we got the carbon goodies. Now we're just mocking up the wide body because we're gonna build a one-off all metal wide body, and we're gonna start building the kit. I have a kit in my head. I'm not good at drawing pictures, so I just rendered it in my mind, and I'm just gonna make it come to life. That's the plan. I had that image in my head. I don't think I can put it on paper. I'm just gonna do it.
Well, it's looking a lot cleaner back here.
Well, yeah, what we did, we ended up sealing it, fiberglass, and we went as high up as possible so that we can lower this car as much as we can and tuck these 14-inch wide wheels. Now take a look. The thing that I really love is that the side skirts that already came with it, okay, are almost just as wide as the tires. So when I'm building the wide body, I'm gonna use this as like a template, where to go and as how wide I can go, right? And we're just gonna follow this body line, and then it's gonna come up like this. Yeah. Yo, you guys don't even want to know what's going on with this. Once it's done, it's gonna be wild. It's gonna be one of a kind, and yeah, it's not gonna be around us much longer because you guys are gonna have the chance to win it. So I'll definitely stay tuned for that. And I'm telling you, you don't want to miss this. I'm telling you, family.
Oh, no, I'm telling you.
No, I'm telling you.
Oh, I already know.
No. Come sit, my friend.
Okay, my friend.
So it's pretty comfortable. It's dirty inside, but we're gonna do a very thorough detail. We're gonna slap 2 seats. This is not the seat that you'll be getting in it. Yeah, look.
Got everything bolted in now properly, you know?
Yeah, we bolted that in. We got the Works Belt quick release. But we're gonna be changing the wheel up. We're gonna be changing the seats up. I know it's a very nice wheel. It's a very nice seat. It suits Sean very much, but too bad he's not gonna be driving this car.
I wish. Oh man.
Yeah, this is not like a fiberglass kit where you can just go mass produce it like you're making newspapers, right? This is gonna be a metal, you know, wide body kit that I will need the car here to build it, physically build it, and we're gonna go step by step. Let's do it, baby. So I even ended up buying an English wheel to shape the metal pretty much, and I'm gonna be learning how to use it. I've been practicing. There's a special hand movement, you know, you have to really go with the flow.
And on that note, again, follow us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, right?
Yeah, baby, subscribe, and if you didn't, you're missing out, I'm telling you, family.
What?
Fast TV.
Hey.
Yeah.
He already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Gangish. So high off this rubber.
Your last one gets every time.
Speed racing, that's a basic. Gave my soul away just to make it. Got me brain sick, feeling faded. Faceless, like it was a Mason.
you can't drive. It is what it is.